Don't run the red. Like that. Ah, you bastard. Hey! Good move. Ah, crud. You're in the red. Don't run the red. Don't run the red. Don't run the red. Okay. I wonder if he's running the next one. Probably. Go, will you? Go, go. U-turn dive. Camera right. Show your turd. This garbage car lady. Exit dive. Didn't stop for the red light. Use the turn lane, you dumbass. Don't cut me off! Thank you, tough guy. I'm so glad you had to go that far. Get the fuck... Jesus Christ. Don't run the red. You're in the red. Run the right on red. Run the right on red. Is that next dive? How are you doing? Are you extra diving? Let's see. Yes, you ex-dove. Try your turd. Hello, hi. Hi, how you doing? You're too close, and I'm pretty sure you cut him off. Get off my ass, lady, thank you. I mean, I have more than enough tailgater clips lately, you know. I don't need another one. Fuck off. Did I just tell you to fuck off, lady? Fuck you too. Show your turd! Don't turn on red. That's a no turn on red. Don't do it. Did it. Go ahead, doofus, go. Still stop. Don't fucking hit me! Like, Jesus Christ. I don't need this personal relationship, dude, you know? No turn on red. No turn on red. But he went anyway. Asshole! Good. Yeah. 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 I think it was cut off back there, Mr. Tough Guy. Mr. Flying Tough Guy. This guy's okay. I'm doing 60 just to make that. Go, stupid. Go. Go. Just sit there all fucking day. Thank you! If I have to go through 3 horns like I did with the old car, I don't know what I'm gonna do. What the? No left turn there, you shithead. Exit breaker. Fucking scumbags! Cut off. No left turn, thank you. There's a cutoff too. Yeah, cut off, yeah. Hey, hey, set me free. Oh, somewhere on the red light. Hello, hey, that was an accident. Wrong way, shithead. It's wrong way for you too. You see the arrow there? It's the wrong fucking way. You're a grandpa. Did you stop? You did not stop. Whoa, yeah, rest area dive. X dive. X dive. Don't run the red. Didn't run the red. Oh, you're in the red. You just blew the stop light over the stop sign over there. Are you gonna turn? No turn on red? Yep. No turn on red. Chase Avenue. Thanks. Oh. What the fuck was that? Okay, that was a bunny, and I did not hit it. Give me a stroke on top of the fucking laryngitis. No cookies.